All right, folks, so it's Throwback Thursday time, and I got one of my favorite phones in my hand right now. I was coming from the post office, and I was like picking up packages. I said, I'm going to start this intro to this video with the HTC U11 front camera. It's a really windy day out, so I'm not going to be able to get too much footage outside, but this used to be my #1 vlogging camera, and I used to use it for all the videos on my channel. And so now it made it to the Throwback Thursday section. Let's get into the rest of this video. See, so if you were one of the crew, you had one of these bad boys. The HTC U11 to me was like one of the best, if not the best phone of its time. It smashed everybody with cameras, video recording. This was actually my phone that I used for vlogs on the channel and did pretty much everything with this phone. And so when my SIM tray broke, you know what I'm saying, I tried to take it apart. I even bought a new SIM tray. I was deadened and I was just done because I could not get it to work. So now everything still works on the phone. The cameras are still top notch to me. Performance, even though there's no SIM tray in here, I still use this for social media and things like that. How did this crap get on here? Disable. Uninstall. Disable. But yeah, the phone itself is just a beast, man. What I've been using it for lately, since I can't physically use it for phone call, I use it for digits for a long time. Actually, I retract that. I did use it for digits, and I used it I use it for internet calls, and it's perfectly fine because I have high-speed internet. The speaker, everything works on here still. It's just a matter of that SIM tray got jacked up, and there was no return. But other than that, as you can see from the video footage, that was my primary use of this phone. And it's just been awesome, man. Performance, there's no updates that come in for it. I don't think it's going to get any more support. You know what I'm saying? Just keeping it all the way 100. It's probably not going to get any more support from HTC because it appears that HTC, man, just kind of, they decided with this phone, we're done with it. You know what I'm saying? See, I'm on 8.0, and I've checked for updates regularly, and there's just been none. You know what I'm saying? I keep all the software up to date, like all the apps. I keep them all up to date, and this is what I get. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. And if the SIM tray still worked in this phone, everything would still be on and popping for me. I would definitely keep this in the rotation. The build quality for this phone was off the charts, man. It was the fingerprint joint. But it was still a phone that we loved. And some people are still using it. I actually considered buying another one, but I felt like for where I'm at, I just wouldn't use it as much as I think I would possibly. I don't know. So I still have this bad boy in-house, and I still use it for videos for sure. Side angles. Sometimes I've actually used this for full videos before. You guys didn't even know because the 60 frames per second recording on here is just beast mode. It's a boss. It still has the stereo speakers. Everything still works. It's like fantastic, man. This is one of the better setups of the stereo speakers where it's coming out of the bottom and went through the earpiece. So I want to give you a quick Throwback Thursday on the HTC U11. Still in beast mode, still could be used. I still use it for videos. It's still a champ in my opinion. And I think it's still one of the best front-facing cameras on a device and rear. I mean, it's just sick. The drawback still is that limit for 4K recording, and they just kind of stopped on the updates. So it would have been nice to see some more things come on, but it is what it is. This is still a champ in my book. It's the HTC U11.